Welcome to this demonstration on navigating the SAP Easy Access screen. Once you log into SAP, this screen becomes your operational home base. It's where your daily tasks begin, whether you're accessing purchasing transactions, reviewing inventory levels, or managing vendor invoices. Understanding how to effectively use the SAP Easy Access screen sets the foundation for all your work in the system. In this session, you'll become familiar with key elements of the interface, such as the menu bar, toolbars, command field, and status bar. You'll learn how to navigate between transactions, customize your workspace, and interpret system messages that guide your workflow. Now, let's see how this simple but powerful interface supports a complex global operation like Pepsi. Pepsi's global supply chain runs across hundreds of plants, warehouses, and business units, all relying on SAP to manage production, logistics, and procurement. For example, a supply chain coordinator in Johannesburg logs in and uses the command field to quickly access a stock overview. At the same time, a finance officer in Singapore launches an invoice verification transaction from the menu tree. A maintenance supervisor in Mexico opens a service purchase order directly using a transaction code. These roles may be separated by geography and function, but they're all using the same easy access screen tailored to their roles to move business forward. Imagine the challenge of coordinating operations across such diverse teams without a centralized interface. SAP solves this by offering each user a personalized dashboard while still maintaining consistency and control across the enterprise. For Pepsi, this means real-time access to critical transactions, minimized training time for new hires, and faster system adoption globally. From plant managers to procurement officers, everyone navigates the same core screen, creating a unified user experience that scales across borders and business units. Now reflect on your own organization. Is your SAP interface optimized for speed and simplicity? Are team members trained on how to navigate efficiently using the menu tree, transaction codes, and toolbars? Could improving your familiarity with the SAP Easy Access screen reduce delays and streamline your workflow? Let's begin by exploring the screen layout and key interface elements that will guide your journey in SAP. Once you log in, the SAP Easy Access screen appears. This screen serves as your main dashboard, providing you with access to various applications, enabling you to run transactions and effectively manage your business operations within the SAP system. At the very top of the SAP screen, you'll find the menu bar, a familiar interface similar to menus found in common applications such as Microsoft Office. It contains drop-down menus that give you access to numerous options, allowing you to perform essential tasks within SAP with ease. To explore the menu bar, simply click on any menu item. For example, System, Edit, Favorites, or Help, and a list of available options will appear. Remember, some menus will adapt their options based on the specific transaction or application you are working in at the moment. However, the System and Help menus remain constantly accessible regardless of your current location within SAP. The System menu enables you to change settings, log off, or manage your sessions, while the Help menu provides direct access to SAP's built-in documentation, tutorials, and support resources. Directly below the menu bar is the standard toolbar, a row of icons specifically designed to offer quick and easy access to commonly performed actions. These icons allow you to navigate through SAP Save Your Work, print documents, and even open new sessions quickly with a single click. Each icon represents a particular function, and many also have associated keyboard shortcuts for even faster operation. If an icon appears grayed out, it means the related function isn't currently available. To find out the purpose of each icon, hover over it and a helpful tooltip will display, providing a brief explanation. You can activate the function either by clicking the icon or by using its keyboard shortcut. The title bar at the top of the SAP screen prominently displays the name of the transaction or application you are currently using, making it easier to keep track of your activities. Just beneath this is the application toolbar, which includes icons specific to the transaction currently open, offering convenient access to transaction-related functions. At the top of the screen, prominently placed, you'll find the command field, a white input box designed to allow quick navigation through SAP by entering specific transaction codes. This field significantly speeds up navigation, eliminating the need to click through multiple menus. To utilize this field, first click inside it to activate, then type in the transaction code for the task you wish to perform. Press enter and SAP will immediately open the corresponding transaction screen, saving time and enhancing productivity. Running along the bottom of the SAP screen is the status bar, an essential feature that provides real-time feedback on your interactions and actions. It clearly indicates whether processes were successfully completed, need your attention, or encountered errors, greatly assisting in troubleshooting issues promptly. The status bar displays three distinct types of messages. Green success messages inform you when an action completes successfully. For example, sales order saved successfully. Yellow warning messages notify you of a potential issue or caution, though not critical. For example, check pricing details before saving. Red error messages appear when required actions are missing or incomplete. For example, error, enter invoice data before saving. Additionally, the right side of the status bar contains important system details, offering you quick reference and useful information at a glance. Here, you can see the client number, ensuring you know exactly which database environment you're currently interacting with. Next to this, your logged in user ID appears, confirming the user identity currently active in the session. Lastly, the response time indicator displays how swiftly SAP processes your requests, measured in milliseconds. Monitoring this response time helps in identifying any system performance issues or delays, enabling prompt action and efficient workflow management. Well done on completing this tour of the SAP Easy Access screen. You now know how to navigate through the menu bar, use the standard and application toolbars, access transactions with the command field, and monitor activity through the status bar. This interface may seem simple, but it holds the keys to every function you'll perform in SAP. By mastering the navigation tools, understanding message types, and recognizing system fields, you not only improve your efficiency, you reduce errors, save time, and enhance your SAP experience. Let's revisit our Pepsi example. For a global operation with thousands of users accessing SAP daily, consistency in the user interface is essential. The Easy Access screen allows a purchasing team in Poland to work just as efficiently as one in Brazil. By relying on standard toolbars and customized favorites, users at Pepsi can execute complex processes with a few clicks, whether they're managing procurement, running material planning, or generating reports. Everything starts with effective navigation from this central dashboard. Now take a moment to reflect. Are you using the Easy Access screen to its fullest potential? Have you customized your favorites for quick access to frequent transactions? Are your colleagues confident navigating without getting lost in menu trees? By mastering the SAP Easy Access screen, you equip yourself with the tools needed to work smarter, not harder. This foundational skill supports every task you'll complete in SAP, and it's the first step toward becoming a more confident, capable SAP user. Keep going, you're doing great.